Hey guys, I'm going to be playing Pac-Man today, so I don't get so much embarrassed. Don't expect a lot because I really suck at this game. I was just in a video game mood, I guess. So let's do this thing. My camera's falling. Let's do this. Can the little yellow guy. First, I didn't even know that. I was like, what the fudge? I'm ready. Yep. Oh god. Oh wait, they're good if they're blue. Okay. It's good. I like that. It's a nice add to the game, yeah? Yes. Goodness. That was so good for that. See, that was just a practice round. Obviously. Oh my god, it really was. My mom's actually really good at this game. How many practice rounds do they have? Because they need more. Okay. Can't go down. Oh god. God, I hate Pac-Man. Yeah, so that was me playing Pac-Man. I hope you liked it. Play one more time. I'm gonna exit the game, maybe you won't. Play one more time. Bye, you guys. Well, not bye, but... So... hope you like that. I'm really bad at Pac-Man, so don't judge me. I'm in Texas, which explains why I have an actual computer and I have been filming a lot. I'm at my grandma's. Here's a pool and everything, so I'm really busy swimming. Little house that I always think is watching me because of the window, little blind thing. I don't know, it's open like right there. Freaks me out. Anyway, I'll try to make more videos, but no promises. Bye guys.